Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking sticker paper and a design file. Choose matte for writing or glossy for photos. Once chosen, set your document to 300 dpi and size elements to fit a 3.5 4-inch grid so printing aligns. Make sure to leave 2-3 mm bleed around shapes to avoid white edges. Load the paper into your printer short edge first and run a test print on plain paper. This confirms alignment before you waste sticker sheets. You now print at high quality to capture colors and detail, select photo or best mode and monitor ink levels. Once printed, consider laminating with a 1-2 mil film. This adds water resistance and prevents smudging. After lamination, choose your cut. Kiss cut keeps stickers on a backing sheet for journals, while full cut separates each piece. Use a ruler and craft knife for straight edges or a cutting machine for precision. If using a machine, calibrate grid spacing first to match your design file. You finish by peeling the backing slowly and aligning each sticker on your journal using a straight edge or light guide. This prevents crooked placement. Once applied, press from center outward to remove bubbles and store unused sheets flat in a cool, dark place to preserve adhesives. If a print misaligns, reprint after adjusting bleed and printer margins. If stickers curl after lamination, flatten them under heavy books for 24-48 hours. These steps ensure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.